I'm begging you to prioritize your health above everything else. You see, many people, including myself, make this mistake over and over again. We are kind of neglecting our bodies, our health, and we are prioritizing other things in our lives. And that leads to our health deteriorating because we are eating badly, we are sleeping not enough hours in a day, we don't move, we don't work out, and we become sick. We are in pain, we have like back pain or headaches, whatever, and we can get serious illnesses because we haven't taken care of ourselves. However, our health is our greatest asset because it will influence every area of our lives tremendously. So when our health goes down, everything else will go down as well. And to be honest, everything else doesn't really matter, right? If we die, we cannot do anything else in our lives, obviously. And if we are unhealthy, everything else will suffer under that because we will perform worse. Being it as a friend or a spouse or a co-worker, a father, whatever. Every area of your life will suffer if you are not healthy. But we are treating our health as a side quest too many times. And I do this. This is happening to myself as well, very regularly. So this is as much a reminder to myself as it is hopefully an inspiration for you. And I'm making this video because lately, over the last few months, I've actually neglected my health in favor of other things in my life, and I suffered under that so much. I'm constantly tired. I have headaches. I have brain fog. I cannot really focus. My mood is down. Everything. And then I'm asking myself, what's wrong? What's going wrong here? And the answer, if I just zoom out a bit, is obvious. I'm not moving. I'm eating bad stuff. I'm basically sitting in front of a screen all day, working, and you know, there's no wonder why I don't feel well. And I know that. I actually know that, but I tend to forget it anyway. And I think this is true for so many people. Your health should be your number one priority. And now you might think, well, there are other things in life that are important. Yes, but if you don't take care of yourself, you cannot take care of other people as well. How can I take care of my family when I'm not healthy, right? So this has to be my number one priority. Or it has to be at least one of your top 3 priorities. Like, okay, there might be times in life where other things are more important temporarily, but that doesn't mean that you can neglect your health for more than a couple of days or weeks. You shouldn't do that. So I hope you got the message. I hope I'm getting the message myself. Yeah, take care of yourself. Move, eat good stuff. I'm not going into what you should do because you actually know. You actually know how to work out and how to eat. You know it. You just have to do it. Peace out.